A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today, again, I am here with lesson number 8, which is A Swimmer Mihir Sen, and we will continue with the grammar glee exercise. And the second question is change the following sentences in present continuous tense to past continuous tense. Here, in this question, what you have to do, in front of you the sentences of present continuous tense is given and you have to change them into past continuous tense. So before doing this, at first I want to revise you that what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to show an action which is taking place at the present time of speaking. We use is, am, are with ing form of verb to show what we are doing now. Some example, she is running fast. As you can see with she, I have written is because she is a singular pronoun and we will use is with singular ones and the verb's ing form which is running, and that's why this sentence is of present continuous tense. Now let's take a look to past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was in progress for some time in the past. We use was, were with the ing form of verb in this tense. So, this past continuous tense shows the action that was in progress for some time in the past. Example is she was running fast. Here, she is a singular pronoun, so with she we will use was and verb's ing form. So the answer is she was running fast and this is past continuous tense. So let's move to the question. The sentences are Tina is writing a letter. Here the sentence is present continuous tense because in this sentence is writing is there and is we use with present continuous tense. So what we have to do, we have to change this sentence into past continuous tense, and as you can see in this sentence we are talking about Tina. So Tina is a singular noun, so with singular verb we will use was and verb's ing form. Here in this sentence the ing form of verb is already given, so we have to change only was. Tina was writing a letter. The next sentence is Riya and Nitin are swimming in the pond. So again, Riya and Nitin are given. They are plural noun and that's why in present continuous tense we have used are, but if we have to change this sentence into past, so what we will do? We will change it into were. So the answer is Riya and Nitin were swimming in the pond. The next sentence is I am reading a newspaper. Again, in this sentence with I we have used am, and if we will change this sentence into past continuous tense, so with I is a singular one, so that's why we will use was and the answer is I was reading a newspaper. The next sentence is Rohini is going to school. Here in this sentence we are talking about Rohini. Rohini is singular noun, so with singular we will use was in past continuous tense. So the answer will be Rohini was going to school. The next sentence is birds are building their nest on trees. Here we are talking about birds. Birds are plural noun. So in this sentence we have used are because this is present continuous tense and the birds are plural nouns. So if we have to change this sentence into past continuous tense, what we will do? We will change are into were. So the answer is birds were building their nest on the tree. So now let's move to the next question. The next question is choose the correct verbs from the bracket to complete the sentences in the future continuous tense. Here in this question what you have to do, you have to fill the correct verbs from the bracket to complete which sentence? To complete future continuous tense. So before doing this exercise, I want to tell you about what is future continuous tense. So future continuous tense is used to show that the action will be continuing for some time in the future. So whenever we talk about future and the action we will be continuing, so for that, which tense we will use? We will use future continuous tense, and we use will be with the ing form of verb in this tense. So example is, she will be running fast. Because with she we have used will be and verb's ing form. That's why this sentence is of future continuous tense. So now let's move to the question again. The first sentence is, we dash doing our homework tomorrow, and two verbs are given, will do and will be. So in the previous slide I have already told you that in future continuous tense we will use what? We will use will be with verb's ing form, and in this sentence verb's ing form is already given, which is doing. So which verb will be correct? Yes. The answer is, we will be doing our homework tomorrow. The next sentence is, Sohini dash at the bus stop when the bus comes there. So here in this sentence two verbs are given, will be waiting and will wait. So you know that whenever we talk about future continuous tense, there should be will be and verbs ing form, and this is given in the first option. The option is will be waiting. So the answer is, Sohini will be waiting at the bus stop when the bus comes there. The next sentence is, the workers dash till late today, and the options are given, will be working or will work. Again same thing happens. Which one is correct? Yes, will be working, because in future continuous tense will be plus verbs ing form is must. So the answer is, the workers will be working till late today. The next sentence is, the cow dash in the field, and the options are will gaze or will be gazing. Again same thing. Yes, the answer is, the cow will be gazing in the field. The next and the last sentence is, she dash a hot cup of tea once she comes back, and the options are given, will be drinking or will drink. So the answer is simple. In future continuous tense we will opt which option? Yes, the first one, will be drinking. So the sentence is, she will be drinking a hot cup of tea once she comes back. This is it for today. In our next video we will do our next chapter. So till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your online classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.